What's up guys? So I'm here in the nature. This nature is nature. So I'm at the nature now because I'm hungry. So I'm shocking because this is tree poles. I pour. And I'm here in the nature now. A beautiful nature. I'm here in the stone, in the jungle, in the troll poles of A, B, C, D. And you know, the everything was strong is okay. And like this, be happen to, you know, in the tree, in the like this, in everything was strong. So in everything was strong is okay. So I'm here in the nature. I'm at the nature. So you know, I'm speaking English now because I'm English. So you know, right here I'm shocking because this tree is tree. You want one is tree. So you know, so like this. So grabe is beautiful nature. Okay, yan. Everything was strong. So like this in the troll poles. And yes or no. So I'm here in the nature. So I told you I'm here in the cell phone now in the front in my Facebook. So you say me, yo, because this nature is beautiful places in the behind the kwan, the nature. So nature is nature. So I'm at the nature. So I'm here in the nature, in the kwan, in the everything was strong. Okay. So like this in the why I'm shocking because so I'm at the floor and everything was strong and okay in scientific discovery of I'm here in the Mars in the suns and Pluto and Venus. So I'm here now in the everything was strong. So I'm okay because this I'm here in the Facebook now in the cell phone in the camera. So I'm see you. I'm watching me and you know in the nature. I'm hungry now because nature is hungry. Nature is hungry. You know, you understand? Yeah, I'm here in the nature now. I'm only me, not two, only me. You know, you see? So like this and everything was strong. So every day and happy. So thank you for watching. Salamat. Thank you.